ডিয়ার ভিউয়ার্স, আমি দেবব্রত আপনাদের সাথে রয়েছি। আজকে আমরা কম্পিউটার নেটওয়ার্ক মাল্টিপল চয়েস কোশ্চেন নিয়ে কিছু আলোচনা করব, যেগুলো যে কোনো কম্পিটিটিভ এক্সামের জন্য সুইটেবল এবং খুব ইম্পর্টেন্ট কোশ্চেন, যেগুলো আমরা বাছাই করেছি কম্পিউটার নেটওয়ার্ক চ্যাপ্টার থেকে। চলুন শুরু করা যাক। ফার্স্ট কোশ্চেন, হোয়াট ইজ এ কম্পিউটার নেটওয়ার্ক? Option A, the device used to display information on a computer screen. Option B, a collection of interconnected computers and devices that can communicate and share resources. Option C, a type of software used to create documents and presentations. Option D, the physical caching that protects a computer internal components. সঠিক উত্তরটি হলো অপশন বি, a collection of interconnected computers and devices that communicate and share resources. Question number 2, what is internet? A network of interconnected local area network. Option B, a collection of unrelated computers. Option C, interconnected of wide area networks. Option D, a single network. সঠিক উত্তরটি হলো অপশন সি, interconnected wide area network. Which of the following is an example of Bluetooth? Wide area network, virtual private network, local area network, personal area network. Correct answer is option D, personal area network. Explanation: Bluetooth is a wireless technology used to create wireless personal area network for data transfer up to a distance of 10 meters. It operates on 2.45 GHz frequency band for transmission. So answer is option D, personal area network. Question number 4. Which of the following computer network is built on the top of another computer? Which of the following computer network is built on top of the another computer? Option A, overlay network. Option B, prime network. Option C, prion network. Option D, chip network. Let explain the answer. সুতরাং আমরা অ্যান্সারটি কি হবে আগে জেনে নিই। An overlay network is a computer network that is built on the top of another network. Some example of an overlay network are virtual private network and peer-to-peer networks. So the correct answer is option A, overlay network. What is the full form of OSI? The full form of OSI is Optical Service Implementation. Option B, open. Option C, open system system interface. The correct answer is interconnection. Question number 6. When a collection of various computers appears as a single coherent system to its clients, what is this called? Option A, mail system. Option B, networking system. Option C, computer network. Option D, distributed system. The correct answer is option D, distributed system. Explanation: a computer network is defined as a collection of interconnected computers which uses a single technology for connection. A distributed system is also the same as computer network, but the main difference is that the whole connection of computers appears to its users as a single coherent system. Example: World Wide Web. So 6 নম্বর কোশ্চেনের কারেক্ট আনসার হচ্ছে অপশন ডি, ডিস্ট্রিবিউটেড সিস্টেম। Question number 7. How many layers are there in the ISO OSI reference model? How many layers are there in the ISO OSI reference model? Option A 7, option B 5, option C 4, option D 6. Correct answer is option 7. Explanation: the 7 layers in ISO OSI reference model is application, presentation layer, session layer, transport layer, network layer, data link layer, and physical layer. OSI stands for Open System Interconnected, and it is a generalized model. What are nodes in a computer networks? Computer network এ node বলতে আমরা কি বুঝি? Option A, the computer that routes the data. Option B, the computer that terminates the data. Option C, the computer that originates the data. Option D, all of the mentioned. So the correct answer is option D, all of the mentioned. সুতরাং এখানে কম্পিউটার প্রত্যেকটা কাজই করে থাকে, the computer that routes the data, that terminates the data, and the originates the data. Explanation: in a computer network, a node can be anything that is capable of sending data or receiving data or even routing the data to its destination. Routers, computers, and smartphones are the some example of network nodes. Question number 9. Which one of the following is not a function of network layer? Option A, congestion control. Congestion control. Option B, error control. Option C, routing. Option D, inter-networking. Explanation: in this OSI model, network layer is the third layer and it provides data routing paths for network communications. Error control is a function of the data link layer and the transport layer. So, the correct answer is option B, error control. So, is not a function of network layer. Question number 10. How is a single channel shared by multiple signals in a computer network? Option A, multiplexing. Option B, phase modulation. Option C, analog modulation. Option D, digital modulation. So the correct answer is multiplexing. Option A. Explanation: in communication and computer networks, the main goal is to share a scarce resource. This is done by multiplexing, where multiple analog or digital signals are combined into one signal over a shared medium. The multiple kinds of signals are designated by the transport layer, which is the layer present on a higher level than the physical layer. So the correct answer is option A, multiplexing. Which of the following devices forwards packets between networks by processing the routing information included in the packet? Which of the following devices forward packets between networks by processing the routing information included in the packet? Option A, firewall. Option B, bridge. Option C, hub. Option D, router. So question number D is the correct answer. Router. Option D, router. Explanation: a router is a networking device that forwards data packet between computer networks. Routers perform the traffic directing function on the internet. They make use of routing protocols like RIP to find the cheapest path to the destination. Sorry. So চলে আসি question number 12. What is the term for an endpoint of an internet process communication flow across a computer network? What is the term for an endpoint of an inter-process communication flow across a computer network? Port, machine, socket, pipe. So correct answer is socket. Option C, socket. Explanation: socket is one endpoint in a two-way communication link in the network. TCP layer can identify the application that data is destined to be sent by using the port number that is bound to socket. So the correct answer is option C, socket. Question number 14. Which layer does the data link layer take packets from and encapsulate them into frames for transmission? Which layer does the data link layer take packets from and encapsulate them into frames for transmission? Option A, transport layer. Option A, application layer. Option C, network layer. Option C, physical layer. Explanation. In computer networks, the data from application layer is sent to transport layer and is converted to segments. These segments are then transferred to the network layer and these are called the packets. These packets are then sent to data link layer where they are encapsulated into frames. These frames are then transferred to the physical layer where the frames are converted to bits. Error control and flow control data is inserted in the frames at the data link layer. So the correct answer is transport layer. Option A, transport layer. Question number 15. Which type of network share the communication channel among all the machines? Channel among the all machines. Option A, anycast network. Option B, multicast network. Option C, unicast network. Option D, broadcast network. So the correct answer is option D, broadcast network. What is broadcast network? Explanation. In a broadcast network, information is sent to all stations in a network, whereas in a multicast network, the data or information is sent to a group of stations in the network. In unicast network, information is sent to only one specific station. The broadcast address of the network is the last assigned address of the network. So, the broadcast network is a network that shares the communication channel among all the machines. So answer is broadcast network. Which topology requires a multi-point connection? Question number 16. Which topology requires a multi-point connection? Option A, ring. Option B, bus. Option C, star. Option D, maze. So correct answer is the bus. In bus topology requires a multi-point connection. Explanation. In bus topology, there is a single cable to which all the network nodes are connected. So, whenever a node tries to send a message or data to other nodes, this data passes through all other nodes in the network through the cable. It is really simple to install, but it is not secure enough to be used in most of the computer network applications. So, the correct answer is the bus. This topology requires a multi-point connection. Question number 17. Which of the following maintains the domain name system? Which of the following system the domain name maintains the domain name system? Option A, single server. A single computer, distributed database system, and none of them mentioned. Which of the following maintains the domain name system? The correct answer is option C, distributed database system. Explanation. A domain name system is maintained by a distributed database system. It is a collection of multiple logically interrelated databases distributed over a computer network. Question number 18. What is the term for the data communication system within a building or campus? What is the term for the data communication system within a building or campus? Option A, MAN, Metropolitan Area Network. Option B, LAN, Local Area Network. Option C, PAN, Personal Area Network. Option D, WAN, Wide Area Network. So correct answer is Local Area Network, LAN, Local Area Network. Explanation: LAN is an abbreviation of Local Area Network. This network interconnects computers in a small areas such as schools, offices, residents, etc. It is the most versatile kind of data communication system where most of the computer network concepts can be visibly used. So the correct answer is LAN, Local Area Network. Question number 19. Which layer is responsible for process-to-process delivery in a general network model? Option A, session layer. Option B, data link layer. Option C, transport layer. Option D, network layer. Explanation: the role of the transport layer, that is layer 4, is to establish a logical end-to-end connection between two systems in a network. The protocol used in transport layer is TCP and UDP. The transport layer is responsible for segmentation of the data. It is uses ports for the implementation of process-to-process delivery. So the correct answer is transport layer. Option D, option C, transport layer. What was the name of the first network? What was the name of the first network? That ASAP net, 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 or C, CNet, NSFnet. So correct answer is ARPANET. Explanation: ARPANET stands for Advanced Research Projects Agency Network. It was the first network to be implemented, which used in TCP/IP protocol in the year 1969. So thanks for watching. Dear viewers, see you on the next videos having content of various question answered with explanation on a particular topic in computer science. So আমরা এই ধরনের ভিডিও আমরা জেনারেলি আমাদের চ্যানেলে আপলোড করে থাকি। সো প্রিয় দর্শক, আপনাদের যদি এই ভিডিও ভালো লাগে তাহলে অবশ্যই সাবস্ক্রাইব করবেন এবং লাইক কমেন্টের মাধ্যমে আরো শেয়ার করবেন, বেশি বেশি শেয়ার করবেন। We always have been uploading tutorial content on various interesting topics in the subject of computer science and application in our channel. So please subscribe to the channel to get available latest video tutorial content and stay connected with us. Thank you very much.